Hi, welcome back to the next video tutorial for Unreal Engine 4 multi-elevator modular super elevator tutorial. I'm Roy. Bienvenido a este tutorial. In name of Mateus, the Panther something and the other one that I mentioned in the first video. So we are basically in Unreal Engine 4 already after we have modeled this elevator, super basic elevator in Unreal in 3ds Max. So what I will do now is finishing this blueprint to begin to program the elevator functionality. Okay, I have already uploaded 2 videos. Ya subido video. Entonces ahora we will add collision to the elevator, because if we play we do not have collisions, you see, so we need collisions. Okay, I will check something quickly here. And here we go. Okay, so now what we will do is add collision to the elevator. We can go here, collision, box simplify collision, press R, scale it down. And move it downwards. And we have that collision over there, and we add another collision. Move it this way, and we can copy this one to the other one, so we can press alternate and meta copy. And we add another collision, box simplify collision, and scale it down. And move it in here. Here you go. And then we can copy this to this side. And we can move this pivot here and scale this down. Here we go. So let's test this collision system. I have saved it. This is to invert my camera. I have 2 videos already upload. I will upload another one. So basically I can just now walk on the floor. You see? So I'm inside the elevator, I can walk on the floor. I have the buttons that we have to make some materials for that. So now what I will do is to add collision to the roof and to the doors, okay? So let's do that right now. Double click the elevator door and just collision, box collision, that's it. Save and close, and select the other one, collision, box collision, save and close, and the roof right here. The same with the roof, collision, box collision, save and close, and save everything. So now I can't enter. You see, can't go in. So let's program the elevator. Okay, let's go. If I press Ctrl E, that will take me to the blueprints. I can check my components. I will fix the light because it's kind of big. I do not need it that big, so ahora sí. Now we're good. So now let's add a trigger volume. Select the elevator or the default scene route, and then add a box collision. This box I will rename it as trigger, okay? And I will change its color to green in the name of UDK. And I will have this trigger here and bigger. Here we go. Okay, so now we're good. So we will begin with the basics. We will open these doors first, okay? So this door is the door, and then we have the indoor, okay? When I move this door, the indoor will move also, because this door is attached to the door, okay? So let's do that first. I will select this trigger volume, and I will change its collision. I will go custom, ignore, and overlap the pawn. Alright, just overlap the pawn. I am the pawn, the player. So let's compile, and let's add a begin overlap event. And if you see, it took me to the event grab instantaneously. ¿Verdad? Me llevo para acá rapidito. Así que entonces vamos ahora a coger la puerta como la variable. Y entonces here in the variable, let's add a initial door location. It will be a vector, because a vector is a variable that holds the position and the location of an object on the engine. So I will have this variable. I will get this door, get a location, get transform, they change everything on every object, on every update. They change the shortcuts, the names. Get relative transform right here. You see, this used to be blue, now is a green function, but we explain that later, not right now. So I will get this, and I will have the return value in here, but if you see, it won't let me, so I have to split this and then have the location in here, you see. And at the beginning of the game, the event begin play, how I have this, you can go right click and write down event being play right here, or you just can press P and then click. You see how it blinks? P and click. You see how it blinks? Alright. So what this will do is this will get the initial location of that door, this one, and I have to do the same with the other door. I need to create another variable, and I have to rename this one Control W, and this will be initial initial door location, initial indoor location set. Okay. Hey, sorry about my dogs, alright? Just bear with me as I bear with them. So now I have the initial location of both door, okay? And now I will add, I will go right click, and I will add this timeline, okay? Timeline. And I will rename this timeline elevator door, elevator underscore door, okay? And I will go double click in here, and I will add a vector, and it will be named door. So the elevator must move on the x minus axis. You see the x axis right here, or the x vector, it should move minus x. So I will go here and I will select the x value, with shift click I add two keys. With shift click you add two keys, and now okay, so we just wanted to move it on the x value, right? So you can hide the other values, delete these keys right here, you don't need it, and hide the other values, and here we go. On the 0 time 0, I want the door to be on 0, okay? But on maybe 1 second I want the door to be, and I will let you know how. You can minimize this viewport, and you can move with the middle mouse button. You can press the middle mouse button right here, and it will let you know how much. 170. No way, not 170. 100. Let's go with 100, okay? So I want 100 minus minus 100. Here we go. So you can click here and here, you see, and you go this 1 second, use last keyframe, and in 1 second the door should open. So let's compile, let's go to the event graph, let's have this here. We have 20 minutes long video, so I will end this video right now. I have totally forget to stop the video by 10 minutes, so I will stop this video. I hope you're learning. See you on the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye.